TK65 Smartwatch, world's first oscilloscope pump, plus ECG blood pressure monitoring. Health tech revolutionizing health monitoring. The TK65 Smartwatch is the world's first wearable to combine medical-grade oscilloscope pump technology with ECG electrocardiogram and precise blood pressure monitoring. No bulky cuff required. Designed for proactive heart health management, this advanced smartwatch delivers hospital-level accuracy right on your wrist. Key features: oscilloscope pump blood pressure monitoring. Measures real-time BP with unprecedented precision. No inflation needed. Medical ECG/EKG Analysis detects heart rhythm abnormalities like atrial fibrillation and generates professional-grade reports. 24/7 heart rate and SpO2 tracking monitors pulse, blood oxygen, and stress levels for full-body wellness. Bluetooth Smart Sync seamlessly transfers health data to your phone, iOS, Android, for doctor consultations. IP68 waterproof plus long battery, 7 to 10 days of continuous use, rain or shine. Who needs this? Hypertension patients. Track BP trends without a cuff. Heart health conscious users. Early detection of irregular ECG patterns. Seniors and fitness enthusiasts. All-day health guardian with emergency alerts. Why TK65 stands out. No more cuffs. Measures BP like a medical oscilloscope. Faster, comfier, and more accurate than traditional smartwatches. FDA-Cleared ECG, pending certification. Trusted clinical-grade data. Sleek and wearable. Looks like a premium smartwatch. Works like a health monitor. Learn more, buy now. Visit www.dpepfit.com.